Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at H RV here in Haleyville, Alabama. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Today we're going to be showing you a little something different, a little 2024 Crossroads Zinger 18QB, and it's a little single axle, so let's get started. The length on this little Zinger is 22 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 3,466 pounds. And that hitch weight is 512. This one's a little different floor plan we've ever seen.
It does have a really neat floor plan. Plus, if you have a small truck or an SUV, or you may even be able to pull this with a minivan, always check your specs on it. But so if you're just needing something to get away for the weekends or starting out, or
oh yeah, that's what I called one of these a weekend warrior.
Yeah, so this is actually would be a really good choice for that. Of course, you see your dump areas down here, your low point drains, single axle. You do have pass-through storage here, which is actually a good size storage for what is this, a 20-foot camper?
Yeah, so 22.
So yeah, coming right on down again, you'll see that there's no slide here, so easy setup.
And I mean, if someone's not going, what, a couple of times a month?
Yeah, if you don't want to go very much, just, or hey, if you like to go deer hunting and you need something for you and a couple of buddies, this would be excellent for that. It is prepped for a backup camera. Now this one does not come with a ladder on the back.
I mean, it even comes with a tankless water heater.
Of course. Now you do have manual stabilizers. Not sure the length on this awning. I'm going to guess it at about 10 feet.
10 foot, yeah.
So it is a smaller awning. Here is the other side of your pass-through storage.
And you got a manual jack.
It does have a manual jack. Of course, you can always add a power jack up there if you want to. And you do have a single propane bottle.
Yeah.
Now again, this is a smaller unit, so there's not solid steps, but something else that you could add if you really wanted to. So let's take a quick look around.
Check this out.
Okay, this is up front and looking toward the back. And this is what we can't wait to tell you about, but let's start right up here at the front. This is going to have a camp queen in it. You're going to have a little bit of storage right here.
Yeah.
You could slide some pillows and blankets down in there. You do have a shelf across the top. And if you want to put a TV in, it'll mount right up there. Now looking at this, power USB up there, you could put a queen size bed in here. Your corner would hang off a little bit, yeah. but it could be done if you just really want to do it. Now I'm going to back up. Again, we have no slides in here, so I'm just going to back straight up. Did I miss something already?
Yeah, you missed that little thing. Sorry.
How did I miss something already? Oh, you got storage right here just as you come in the door. And plug in right inside the door.
Sorry, I won't never say anything like that again.
Yes, you will.
No, I won't.
But anyway, let me back up so you can get a good view here of the kitchen. You've got some nice storage right across the top. You are going to have a smaller sink here with a high-rise faucet. You do have a 2-burner cooktop. There is no oven in this. But you've got room over there to put a little toaster oven.
Couple of drawers.
2 drawers. And you do have a fireplace. So trust me, it would not take long at all to heat this one up for sure. All right, well, while you're standing right there, you want to go ahead and show them the bathroom.
Okay.
So of course you can see your foot flush toilet right here. You do have a sink with a plug-in. You got a medicine cabinet up here. It does have a mirror on it. A little bit of storage down below there. This is going to have a good size square shower.
Wow.
And Jeremy is 6 feet tall, so there's no skylight in these Zingers, but they do give you a vent up there. So you could always vent that for some, to get some steam and moisture out. Yeah. So actually, not a bad size shower.
Not bad.
It is not bad. Don't see a vent in there, so I don't know if there's a heat vent in the bathroom.
I don't see one.
Okay.
All right.
Moving right on down to the very back, you will see that you do have an AC unit up here, and it is not ducted, so that's going to be a direct dump. And
Here's your
little 12-volt fridge. There's no freezer in it, and it's still taped up, so it's making all kinds of weird noises. Do you have a microwave up here with some open storage up above?
Yep.
And then at the back, is this not the neatest little bunk area you have ever seen? This is going to jackknife down, and I think when he showed you that real quick, you see you do have a folding table that goes under it.
Yep.
Under this one, you've got an area perfect size to put a tote under there. And then you're going to have 3 bunks. I don't see a weight limit on it.
300 pounds.
Oh,
Right there.
oh, it is a pair. Okay. So
And
these
it's
are going to
over here,
be,
too.
yeah, these are going to be like twin size, but you have 3 of those, plus this that jackknifes down. And wait, if you wanted to put another TV, it is prepped for another TV area.
That is not bad.
No, so
And I'll tell you something else is really good. They got household plugs and USB everywhere.
mm-hmm.
Wow.
You don't know how important that is until you get out and try to charge something up.
All right, everybody. If you like this little Zinger with these, what is it, 3 bunks? 3 bunks? I mean, hey, this is the dealership's information. Will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.